and welcome back to my channel Yoga Fashion and More, and today I'm playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Stars on Casio 76. So let's start. Just turn your Casio on, just put the volume on max or which volume as you want. Now the tone should be 00 and the pattern should be 09 or the pattern which suits you. I'm putting it on 09 the pattern, and now we need to start. 3, 2, 1.